Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to show CPU temperature on the taskbar and Windows. So first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then type out hwinfo. And when you go and see this website, so just click on this one right here. Now you can see the free download, so you will then just have to click on that one and you'll be able to see the three options right here. So just select different windows. So this one is for 64 or 32 bits. So now just click on the free download and select the local US. Now when you go to your downloads, you'll be able to see the downloaded file right here. So just click on open in folder and you'd be able to see the section right here. Now click on the file that you have downloaded. So just click on the file. So after that, you'd be able to see these options. Okay, so you just have to select the bit for your laptop. So since I have a 64-bit laptop, I am going to click on 64-bit. Now I just have to click on the sensor, and right here you just have to look for the package 6 residency. So this one you just have to right click this and then click on the add to tray option. And after that, you'd be able to see your CPU temperature right here. So just click on this one. And here is the package C6 residency. So we have a minimum of something percent and a max, and of course the average percent for your CPU temperature. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.